Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the can delete apps on iOS 14. It works on any iPhone actually. So if you appreciate me making this very simple tutorial, make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you're new. Hey, if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, make sure you let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out basically. Normally, to just delete an app, you would hold on the app, for example, Shazam, click on remove app. If you click delete app, it will be deleted. But sometimes you just don't have this option. So what can you do? Well, there is a fix. Here it is. You want to go over to your settings and down below to screen time. I don't know why it's in screen time. It's just in screen time. Click on it. And then you have the red icon, content and privacy restrictions. You want to click on it and enable it. And iTunes and App Store purchases, this is where you want to click. Deleting apps, here it is, and you want to have it at allow. If it's on do not allow, you won't be able to delete apps. You want to have it on allow, just like I do. Go back and now you should be able to delete apps. If this video helped you out, you know what to do. Give me a like. I want to see you next video. Bye.